Okay, so this will be the main page, and this will be the home page. So if you go to get help, this is similar to rapid response, so we have just renamed it. So if anybody wants to get, anybody of you know anybody who would like to get help from YF, you just need to fill your details here in the beneficiary detail section, and in the volunteer section, whoever is filling the details, so they need to fill the details. If I want Ramsar to get the help, so Ramsar's details will come in beneficiary details and my details will come in the volunteer details with the corresponding ID proof. Okay, and in collaboration section, whoever wants to collaborate in with YF for any event or anything related to collaboration, they can fill this form and we will contact them within 24 or 2 days, 24 hours or 2 days. And in contact us, we can email contact@yfindia.org with anything, any query they have, or you can call them at this number. This is Ramsar's number. So location will take you to the Google Map location of our Delhi address, office address, and call will take them to.
So nothing is dummy, every function is working.
Yes, sir. And if you want to raise any query or complaint, you can fill this form here, name, contact number, whether it's a query or a complaint. If it's query, then enter your query. If it's complaint, enter your complaint, and you can submit it, and we will try to resolve it at the earliest. And donate, we have made two options. One is donate online, that will take the user to the website, and the user can make the donation there by knowing some of the other initiatives also in the website. And if the user wants to go to a bank and physically donate, then he can go here, take a screenshot, go to a respective branch bank, and then he can make the payment. And this is events. So whenever any events happen in YF, so it will be updated here with the poster, the date, the name of the webinar, and also a register button, which will take the user to a Google form, as we are currently doing in YF. And I'll show you a sample so that you get a clear idea of that. And this is a competition. It will be similar to webinar. And social work, as of today, it has 586 stories of the beneficiaries we have helped so far. To view this, the only drawback here is you need a good internet connection to view the picture. If you have a very good internet connection, you can view the picture, or else you can read the description of their personal stories. And gallery as of today has around 800 photos. So again, you need a good internet connection to view this, because this is stored in the cloud, so it will take some internet of yours. Okay, so okay, this is the internship section, and they can look at various internships what YF has to offer, and they can go to apply, and they need to fill these 3 questions and then go to submit.
So what happens currently, some or the other interns want their friend to join, or their friend inquire for, is there any option at YF?
So they
So
need
they
to
can,
install the
they,
app, and they
yeah,
need to create a profile, and they need to
apply for the
apply for
opening.
an internship.
Yes.
Okay, and once you have applied, sir, I'll just show you what happens. Just a second.
So this is all purpose app developed by Joel and team without any professional support, without uh, taking assistance from any company, any agency.
Sir, okay, if user wants their if we approve their internship, then it will be hired, or we can also reject it.
Okay, so he is doing from backend.
Yes. And also the 3 questions what you answered will appear here along with the details of the internship. Okay, this was, and also the profile part. Everything is editable from the backend except your email ID and your phone number. And also one thing I want to make clear is that your profile pictures won't be saved in our backend. Rest everything will be saved apart from your profile pictures. Okay, so you can edit your profile here, the details here, and it will get updated. And this is learn section. This will be updated once I get the corresponding content. So videos will have 3 sections: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Inside basic, it will have basic videos or podcasts. Inside intermediate, it will have intermediate videos and intermediate level podcasts, so on. And this is the initiatives. So again, everything can be editable, anything can be added any number of times. Okay, this was the initiative. Then this is about us, of who we are, what YF is, and this is about Ram sir. And this is our mission. And if there's any addition to be made, we can make that also. So this was the all-purpose app, and also you can follow our social media handles down here. If you want to follow us on Facebook, click on Facebook, it will redirect you to Facebook page. Okay, and since we were 1 week free, so what we thought was we'll make our own status section. So what we are doing currently is we are implementing our own status. So just next to the home on top, we will have a fire mark, and once that is selected, we will have a similar option what we are posting in Instagram. So whatever we are featuring in Instagram, we can feature it in the app as well. Okay, sir. So this was the multi-purpose app. I don't think there is any thing left out. Yes, sir. If there is anything, please let me know and I'll try to implement it at the earliest. Okay, and
we have covered everything. We have covered learning for the youth. We have covered internship opportunity. We have covered our projects. We have covered people who can support us by donating or by volunteering. We can also they can submit beneficiary detail. They can collaborate. So everything is there in this multi-purpose app.
Yes, sir. And I'll show you the webinar part. 1 minute, sir. It will look like this. Okay, it will look something like this. If you want to view the poster, you can click on it and the poster will appear there. And this is the name of the webinar, the date on which the webinar will happen. And if you click on register, we will redirect it to a Google form as we are currently doing. And competition also, once it's updated, it will be similar to webinar. And we can add any number of webinars at a time. Okay, that's all from my side, sir. Thank you so much, sir.